It's time to be creative in 3D and virtual reality, VR. It's time for Unity. In this video, we're going to go over your FPS Cowboy 3D game, shooting projectiles. This will be the first day we're going to code, and you can see on the class page, I've given you all the code that you're going to have. So this is going to be one script called shooter that you're going to make, and this is going to be another script called destroy after time. Below you can see here is an example of what will happen for your FPS Cowboy 3D game. You're going to shoot capsules directly forward. After 2 seconds they will disappear. So let's come over here and actually look at our FPS game. If I press play, you can see this is the end result. When you shoot stuff, it disappears. And I can keep shooting, and you can see over here they disappear. And that's what you're going to do. You're just working with the shooting of the capsules. In the following classes, we will work with hitting the different objects inside of your ranch. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to disable, I'm going to get rid of my current shooter. And let's make this bigger. Here's my cowboy. And you can see he's there. This is kind of my frame of reference. And you can see the camera I've positioned. The camera I've positioned just right behind him. So you can see here's the camera. And you can see it kind of looks forward. But if I move my camera back, you can see it moves with my person. So what I have is I have my main camera. I have my person inside of my camera. Now I'm also going to right click on camera. I'm going to create an empty game object. I'm going to call it shooter. I already have a shooter, so I'm just going to say here's my shooter. Now inside of my shooter, I'm going to go into my prefabs for my Pro Western starter pack, and you see they have these different types of objects you can use. I'm going to just drag in that to here. Now you can see it showed up way up there. I'm going to drag that down and over, and I want to see it. I'm looking down here because this is what your game will look like. I'm going to drag it forward a little bit, and there we go. So that's my site, and if you look at my game, see how this is down here is actually how the game will look. So that's why I like having both windows open, is so I can actually select something and do it. Now, my shooter, you're going to have to make 2 scripts. Now, in your assets folder, you're going to make a scripts folder. We've done this before. These are all the scripts we're going to make, but right now, all you're going to make is a shooter script and a destroy after time script. And all you got to do, again, is right click, create C# scripts. For example, I could say shooter 1. There's my little script, and now I can actually make that script. I'm not going to walk you through exactly how to do the script, because right here on the class page, you can see I give you the entire script. You see public class shooter. Here's your variables. You have a variable called shooting force. That's how fast it will shoot out the capsule. It has bullet prefab, which will be your capsule. It has gun barrel. It also has a game object called game barrel. It also has an audio source that plays whenever you shoot. Down here, we're getting the actual sound effect for shooting and your start. Inside of update, if the key is space, or this is using the Oculus headset that we have in class this year. Because of the pandemic, we're not using this part. So we're just going to have this. Then we're going to shoot the bullet. We're going to make this procedure. And you can see here it says I'm going to make a new bullet of the bullet prefab. I'm going to put that where the gun barrel is. And then I'm going to add force to it. And I'm going to play my thing. So this is the code that you need to make for your shooter. Now let me show you that. So I already have the shooter script. I'm just going to drag this and add it to it. So I have a force here. I need to make a bullet prefab. And you can see for prefabs, I already have one. It's simply a capsule that has rigid body, and I made it red. And it has a bullet script in this. We'll get to this stuff later. Up here, let's just right click this 3D object. We're gonna do a capsule. That capsule is way too big. So let's get our scale tool and scale it down. And what we really want to do is make sure that it fits kind of right here. So let's move it up and scale it down some more. I want to rotate it. So it's going to be 90 probably for, yep. And for materials, I'm just going to make it red. There we go. I'm also going to add in rigid body so I can shoot a force on it. And let's see, is that, I just want to make sure you can, so let's see, let's really, so here, now that we're in front, let's pull this up to make sure that this could, see, like that's way too big, so let's just scale it down so it looks like it comes out of there, and there we go. So you're trying to do that. So that is kind of what my capsule will look like. Now let's go back to prefabs. Let's just double check. See, for this one I have a rigid body, I have these scripts, and we'll worry about those scripts a little bit later. But for right now, we are good with this new. So I'm going to call this new bullet. And I'm going to drag this down and put it down here. And now I have my new. So I actually can get rid of this. I don't need one inside of there. So let's delete this from our scene, because now we have our little prefab. Now, going back on shooter, for the bullet prefab, I'm going to drag from down here and put that inside of there. Now the gun barrel part, I need to, we want to shoot from exactly right here. So what we're going to do, so we want to go to the side, and what we're going to do is we're going to right click, we're going to make a spear. Now I'm going to scale this flat, and now I'm going to make it super small, and this is the point that is going to be our barrel. So I'm going to bring it up, and what I'm trying to do is get it to be the size of this. So you can see I kind of want it right at the end, because that's where we're going to shoot from. So this, I'm just going to call barrel, and you can kind of see I'm putting it right at the end of, so it's not seen, but this is what you're going to be shooting from. So now if I go to shooter, where's my gun barrel? I'm going to drag this and put it right there. So with just that, the shooter script on this empty object with the pistol and the gun barrel that we just made with our bullet prefab, we should be able to test this out. So now down here, you could see it is shooting from right here, and down here it's hitting this object and then it's bouncing off. So you can see it shoots directly out. The thing is, as we shoot, look at all these bullets that keep happening. As long as I shoot, they keep coming. We don't want that. We want those to disappear after 2 or 3 seconds. So what we're going to do is make another script. And that script is right here on the class page, destroy after time. And you can see everything's here for you. Lifetime to show, it's going to be 2 seconds. There is nothing in start, but right here, you're going to have every second, you're going to take away 1 second. After 2 seconds, you're going to destroy the game object. So you're going to need to, again, go to your scripts folder, right click, create C# scripts, and destroy after time. Already have one. So once you make that, you can copy in the code here. Then what you're going to do is go to your prefabs. This is your prefab that you are projecting. We're going to go to add component and we're going to add in destroy after time. You can see after 2 seconds. So now if I press play, after 2 seconds, these will actually go away. You can see there. I'm going to take maximize off of play so you can see. So if we look here, see all these will get shot and then after 2 seconds they go away. So this has been the very easy tutorial to show you how to do that. Now there's one other thing that we are missing. It needs a sound effect, so we need an audio source. So for your shooter, you're going to add in an audio source, and then you're going to upload the file that I've given you. And you can see here's the sound effect that you're going to use. So I'm going to click on shooter. For the audio clip, I'm going to drag this and put it right in there. So now when we press play, so this has been a very easy tutorial to show you how to make a shooter from scratch. This is simply an empty object. This is the prefab that we've loaded from right here that we dragged in. This was a flattened spear that we just simply resized. We put at the end right here so we can shoot out of. On our shooter, we added in the shooter script. We also added in the audio source. Down here in our prefabs, we also used a capsule and we added rigid body to it and destroy after time. Once you do that, your game should work like this. You're able to shoot. And that's the first step in our FPS Cowboy 3D. In the next video, we will actually know how when we hit something, we will eliminate it and we will score points. Once you complete this assignment, don't forget to save it and then turn it into your teacher.